Good day! Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about place value of a digit in a given decimal number through 10,000ths. I have here a decimal place value chart. The given number is 123 and 7,658 10,000ths. The words hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds, thousandths, and 10,000ths are the place value. The period is the decimal point. This is the whole number, and this is the decimal number. The number 123 and 7,658 10,000ths is equivalent to 100, 2 tenths, 3 ones, 7 tenths, 6 hundredths, 5 thousandths, 8 10,000ths, so let us review. 341 and 2,679 10,000ths. The place value of 3 is hundreds. The place value of 4 is tens. The place value of 1 is ones. The period is the decimal point. The place value of 2 is tenths. The place value of 6 is hundredths. The place value of 7 is thousandths. And the place value of 9 is 10,000ths. Let's answer this. Give the place value of the underlined digit in each item. Number 1, 25 and 89 hundredths. The underlined digit is 8. So the answer is tenths. Number 2, 2,468 10,000ths. The place value of the underlined digit is hundredths. Number 3, 15 and 235 10,000ths. The place value of the underlined digit 5 is 10,000ths. Number 4, 8 and 891 thousandths. So the answer is thousandths. Number 5, 324 and 276 thousandths. The place value of the underlined digit here is tenths. Number 6, 789 thousandths. The underlined digit here is 8. So the place value is hundredths. Number 7, 21 and 891 thousandths. The answer is thousandths. Number 8, 9 and 743 thousandths. So the answer is tenths. Number 9, 7,892 10,000ths. So the answer is 10,000ths. Number 10. 7 and 815 10,000ths. The place value of the underlying digit 8 is hundredths. Quiz time. Let's answer this. You only have 5 seconds to answer. What is the place value of 8 in 1 and 84 hundredths? Start now. Time's up. The answer is tenths. Next number. What is the place value of 7 in 2 and 1078 10,000? Time's up. The answer is thousandths. Another. What is the place value of 4 in 2,354 10,000ths? Time's up. The answer is 10,000ths. Next, what is the place value of 5 in 38 and 2,512 10,000ths? Time's up. The answer is hundredths. Another. What is the place value of 9 in 2 and 9,005 10,000ths? Time's up. The answer is tenths. Another problem. What is the place value of 8 in 2 and 138 thousandths? Time's up. The answer is thousandths. Another. What is the place value of 2 in 127 thousandths? Time's up. The answer is hundredths. Another. What is the place value of 5 in 6 and 75 10,000ths? Time's up. The answer is 10,000ths. Next, what is the place value of 1 in 7 and 1,342 10,000ths? Time's up. The answer is tenths. What is the place value of 8 in 1 and 84 hundredths? Time's up. The answer is tenths. Next number. What is the place value of 7 in 2 and 1,078 10,000? Time's up. The answer is thousandths. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about place value of a digit in a given decimal number through 10,000ths. Thanks for watching.